Eroxon Gel or Cialis? If both promise to solve the same problem, which one actually gives men the real advantage? Does faster always mean better? Or is long-lasting power still the king? Today, I'm putting them head-to-head in 2025's ultimate comparison. And trust me, the results will surprise you. Erectile dysfunction affects millions of men worldwide, and two names keep coming up: Cialis, a trusted oral pill, and Eroxon, the first FDA-approved topical gel. But here's the catch. While Cialis has been around for years, Eroxon is the new challenger. So, which one should you put your trust in? Let's break it down. First, speed of action. Cialis usually takes about 30 minutes to kick in, but it can last up to 36 hours. Eroxon, on the other hand, claims to work in as little as 10 minutes. So here's the big question. Would you prefer lightning-fast results, or the long window of confidence? Next up, method and lifestyle fit. Cialis is a pill. You take it and wait. Eroxon is a gel. You apply it directly where it's needed. But does convenience outweigh tradition? Which feels more natural to you? Now, let's talk side effects. Cialis may cause headaches, flushing, or upset stomach in some men. Eroxon, being topical, reduces systemic side effects. But here's the catch. Do we know enough about the long-term safety of a new gel compared to a proven pill? And finally, the cost factor. In 2025, Cialis generics are cheaper and widely available. Eroxon is newer, and depending on where you live, it could be pricier. So the question becomes, is innovation worth paying more? Here's what most men don't ask. But could Eroxon actually replace pills like Cialis in the future? Or is it just another short-term hype that fades away? Imagine a world where ED treatment is as simple as applying gel. No waiting, no swallowing pills. Is that the direction we're heading? In the battle of Eroxon versus Cialis, there's no single winner. It depends on what you value most: speed, duration, safety, or cost. But what do you think? If you had to choose today in 2025, would you trust the longtime giant Cialis? Or take a chance on the game-changing Eroxon Gel? Comment below. I'd love to see where most men stand on this debate.